Tube tire puncture repair. There are three types of tires fitted in bicycles: tube tires, tubeless tires, and solid tires. Tube tires are the most commonly used in bicycles. In this type of tire, there is a tube inside the tire. If any sharp object pierces the tube, the bicycle gets a puncture. In this video, we will learn how to fix a puncture in a tube tire. For this, we will need the following tools and equipments: ring spanner, chemical vulcanization paste, flat file, tire lever, air compressor, patch press roller, soap water, tray, tube patch, chalk or marker. First, park the bicycle on an even surface. Use a ring spanner to remove the punctured tire from the fork. Now remove the valve with the help of your hand and push the valve core inside the rim. Using a tire lever, separate the tire from the rim so the inner tube can easily come out. Reattach the removed valve so that the tube can be filled with air for testing. Use an air compressor to fill the tube with air and check the tube carefully by hand after filling. Submerge the tube in a tray filled with water. Look for the spots where air bubbles come out of the tube. The place from where the air bubbles come out is where the puncture is. Examine the entire tube in this way. Once you find the spot where bubbles are coming out, mark it with a chalk or a marker. Use a dry cloth to wipe the tube thoroughly. Remove the valve core from the valve to let the air out of the tube. Rub the marked area of the tube thoroughly using a flat file. This will allow the patch to stick properly. Apply the chemical vulcanization paste on the rubbed area so that the applied patch does not come off. Now stick the tube patch on that area and press it properly with the patch press roller. Now insert the valve into the valve core and fill air in the tube using an air compressor. Place the tube in a tray filled with water and check it again. Check the patched area too. This will help you know if the puncture is properly fixed or not. Now remove the valve from the valve core and let all the air out of the tube. Check if there is any sharp object stuck or if the tire is torn from inside. Now insert the tube into the tire and remove the valve core from the rim. Use a tire lever to fit the tire inside the rim. Place the valve in the valve core and fill the tube with air using an air compressor. Pour soap water on the valve core to ensure there is no air leakage. Finally, with the help of a ring spanner, attach the rim to the bicycle fork. Safety rules: be careful not to hurt your hands with sharp objects when checking the tire inside and outside. It requires a lot of skill. While filling the tube with air, use an air pressure gauge and fill only the prescribed amount of air in the tire.